Hey YouTube folks, this is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and this is the Clay way. Remember, if anyone else can do it, you can do it too. So today we're going to change a battery in this 2007 to 2017 Jeep Patriot. This should be about the same procedure for the Jeep Compass as well, and I'm not so certain about all the way up to the 2017 mark, but to the best of my understanding, it is. This is actually a 2010. So what we're going to do is we're going to first loosen these right here, and then we're going to pull up on this, which will snap that out of the way. And as we pull it up, we're going to pull it towards us right there. All right, that's going to expose our battery. Now, generally, most batteries have a hold down. Either on the front side right here, there's going to be a bolt, or right here. And that's pretty common for most batteries. This battery has a hold down, so we're going to go ahead and get the appropriate tools out and get that handled. Now with the 13 millimeter, we're going to loosen up this bolt right here, which is considered the battery keeper. Sometimes this bolt is rusty, so it may take a little bit of tapping to get your 13 millimeter on there. With our socket out of the way, we can simply reach down
and pull out
the mechanism that holds down the battery and set it off to the side. Now we need to take a 10 millimeter and loosen up both of our battery cables. Here is a very common yet irritating thing that people do. I see this all the time. You do not have to tighten this up so much that it squeezes between these two, because this is made of lead and it's an extremely porous metal and it's very flimsy. So when you go to put this back on, the problem will be the next time you change your battery that the cables won't tighten up. I'm going to show you a way to fix that if that's the case that you have at home, just like me. Okay, so now we're ready to remove the battery. This one doesn't have handles. Just in case you're wondering, this is a weather barrier. It helps the battery from not freezing during the winter, keeping it cool or keeping it warm. When setting the new battery in, make sure you don't set it on top of the cables. I could only do it with one hand. After setting your battery in, replace your weather guard. Okay, so I'm quite certain that these aren't going to tighten up on these battery posts. So I'm going to show you a little auto hack right here. We are going to stick a screw in between there, and then that will go into the lead here on the post and separate that, and that'll lock that in there, and it'll make a nice tight connection. Okay, if you're using a nail or anything like that, you're going to put the nail somewhere in here. But because I'm using a screw, I can screw it right inside there. And I'm going to start the tip of it, and I'm actually using a little bit too big a screw, but that's all right. I have this loosened up, so that'll spread out as I screw the screw in right there. Does not have to be super tight and pushed all the way together, people. Repeat the process on the other side. Reinsert your battery hold down. Put your plastic cover back on. Super simple. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. God bless you. Remember, don't be the next to them, be the first to you. Have a great day.